Hello kids, we are here again to continue with our chapter from the box to books. Okay, in the first part we have understood about the chapter from the box to books. What exactly was that? Ben Carson, the author, and this is the real story as I have said earlier. Okay, so Ben Carson he used to watch TV and not showing any interest in his studies and just playful. So one day his mom sees him and wants him to read the books and asks for the report. This is what we have studied in the first part. Okay, so let us continue in the second part and understand what he is exactly doing it. Okay, let's read. But she explained that she would take us to where the books were, the Detroit Public Library. I wondered reluctantly. Reluctantly means what? Without willing to do anything. Okay, among the children's books, I loved animals. So when I saw some books that seemed to be about animals, I started leafing through them. The first book I read was Chimp the Dam Builder. It was about beavers. So beavers means what? It's a wild animal. Okay, it looks like a squirrel. Okay, it looks like a squirrel. Okay, and how they lived and built their dams. For the first time in my life, I was lost in another world. No television serial had ever taken me so far away from my surroundings as this book did, to a cold stream in the forest and these animals building a home. So, as I have said in the first part, they said they were complaining, both the brothers were complaining that they are not having any books. Then Mama said, don't worry, I'll take you to the book center where you can read it. So she took them to the Detroit Public Library. Public library, everyone knows, it can be a state library, it can be a place where a library has been constructed and anybody can go and take the books from there. It's a public library. Okay, so like in your school you have your library that whenever you are free and you are having a library period, you go and take the books and you learn it. So the same way, this is the library of a center. Okay, it can be a district, it can be a particular place, or it can be a state. So the government organizes the library for learning purpose. Okay, so their mama took them to that place. They started taking some books and he was not willing to read it. Yes, so he was disappointed because he was not watching the TV and Mama has strictly said to read the books, and she has taken them to the public library, and then he was not willing, but he unwillingly took one of the book, and he loved animals, so he took the animal book, and it was the first book what he took. Okay, that the name of the book was Chimp the Dam Builder. Okay, and that book was based on the beavers. Beavers are the animals, like a wild animal, and it looks like a squirrel. Okay, and with those like somewhat strange animal, somewhat like ugly type of thing, and the rabbit jaisa teeth hota hai. Okay, so that type of an animal. Beavers. Okay, so this was about that beavers, how they have constructed their home living in the forest. Okay, this is what he has read, and while reading he forgot everything. It was so interesting for him, it was so interesting that he forgot about other things, forgot about the TV serials, forgot about everything, and he in himself he indulged in that story कि वो अपने आप में इतना हो गया था reading that story. Okay, let us read, continue. Soon I began to look forward to visiting the library. I discovered dinosaurs. I discovered the difference between reptiles and mammals, and I discovered something much more important, that I liked to read and I could absorb more information more quickly through the printed word than I ever did from sounds or images. So what the author is saying, when he started reading the books, and he loved to read it, and he every time goes to the library and picked up the books which he liked. What type of books he liked? The animals books. So he read about the dinosaur, he read about the reptiles. Reptiles means what? That like crocodiles and all, okay? Mammals like whales, monkeys and all. And I discovered some more thing important. He noticed while reading, he understood that how important reading is. He came to know new things, and he understood the world little by little, rather than watching the movies, that is images and sounds means what? Watching the television. While reading, he understood more. He became little by little intelligent. Okay, I moved on from animals to plants and then to rocks. So first he started reading the books of animals, then plants, then rocks. So he started reading all these things. I would wander along the railway lines, fill a bag with rocks, then drag them home and try to identify them with the help of geology book. Between the covers of all those books were whole worlds, and I was free to go anywhere in them. So what he did one day, so he thought of taking the stones, that is small stones, from the railway tracks. Everyone know in the railway tracks you find the small stones. So he thought of taking those things, and he gathered everything and he took to the home. Why? To learn more about, because now he is reading the rocks, right? He is reading the books based on rocks, so he want to know about it. So the geology book means what? Book which contains about the science, okay? Like for example, like he is learning about the rocks. It can be the ground level learnings, okay? So it is about the science. So he was reading that. So he thought if he is carrying the rocks, so he can understand. While reading, he can feel what exactly is. Okay, so he thought of reading it, and he found he can go anywhere in the world while reading the books. अब बुक्स पढ़ते पढ़ते ही थॉट कि वो कहीं पे भी जा सकता है, दुनिया की कहीं पे भी जा सकता है. Clear, kids? Everyone understood till here? I hope everyone is understanding it, isn't it? Okay, so because this is very motivational story, you have to try to indulge yourself to understand the story of Ben Carson. Okay, so the first part and second part, listen carefully and try to understand it. That's it for today, and we'll continue in the third part of the story and understand what exactly the child is going to do. Clear? Meanwhile, keep learning, keep reading, and have a good day.